Hey guys, so I know it's been a while since I made my last video, but today I'm going to be making an Italian bread, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So here I have all-purpose white flour. I'm using sea salt, sugar, and egg. I have a half a cup of warm water. I have a half a cup of vegetable oil. I also have 2 cups of hot water, not boiling. And I'm also going to be using 2 packs of the active dry yeast. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is add water to a bowl. This is my half a cup. I'm also adding my sugar. And I'm also adding my active dry yeast. Remember, I'm adding 2 packs. Okay, so then we're going to come and just stir it really good. Make sure it dissolves properly. You just want to keep mixing until it's completely dissolved, okay? So now that it's completely dissolved, now we're going to set this aside and jump to the next step. Okay guys, so in a large bowl, I'm going to come with hot water. You do not want it boiling, but you want it hot enough, okay? So I'm just going to add it to our bowl. I'm also going to add sugar. I'm also going to add some salt, and I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. And now I'm going to add my oil as well. Okay, now I'm just going to mix everything together just like this. Okay, now what I'm going to come and do is add 3 cups of flour to the mixture. Okay, 3 cups at first. Now what I'm going to come and do is just mix this together. Do it gently. You don't want your flour going everywhere. So you're just going to keep doing this until everything is well mixed. Okay. Now that you have everything mixed, which it should look like this, we're going to come and add our yeast mixture that we did. Okay. And now we're going to mix this. Okay, do it gently at first because you don't want it again to go everywhere. So we're going to keep doing this until it's well mixed, and you want it to look like this. Okay, now we're going to add the rest of our flour. Okay, and we're going to again mix it. Okay, just want to keep folding, just fold and fold. Okay guys, so you want it to look like this, sticky. Okay, once you have it like this and it's well mixed, we're gonna come and we're gonna cover it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna come with a kitchen rag, and I'm just gonna cover it, and I'm gonna let this sit so it can rise for 1 hour. So we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's been an hour. Let's see how this is looking. Ooh, look at that. So it rises just enough. See that? How bouncy it is? And you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add some flour to my cutting board, and we're going to lay this out. Just a little bit so it won't stick to our cutting board. Let me bring this down just a little bit. Perfect. And I'm going to spread it out like this. Just like that. Now with the same hand that I was touching the flour with, that I laid out, I'm going to come and I'm going to move it. You see how I'm moving it? And we're just going to drop it here. It's going to take a little long. You can just help it along, okay? Just like that. You guys, so I thought I was recording on the other one, but all I did once I placed it down was pick it up from the side and go like this. Okay? Just like this. Okay? See that? See how it is? This is what you're looking for. So I'm just going to keep rolling until I get it to the ball. If you see it's sticky, it is still sticky. I'm just going to add a little bit of flour. just like this. Put it in my hand a little bit. And again, fold. You don't want to add too much flour because you don't want to make it too dry. Okay. So once you have it like this, I'm going to come and I'm going to slice it in half. Okay, so I don't have a dough cutter, but I have a knife. What I'm going to do is just cut it right through the middle. Make sure it's even. Just like this. Again, if it's sticky, it's fine. What we're going to come and do, I'm going to put this other half right here on the side. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of flour. Again, add a little bit there, out of my hand. And we're going to start working with this. You see that? Look at that. That's what you want. Okay, so now I'm going to come and I'm going to flatten it out. So for this, again, I'm going to add a little more flour and I'm going to add some to my rolling pin. This is going to help it not stick to your rolling pin, okay? So I'm just going to flatten it out like this. And I'm going to keep doing this. Okay, once you have it to your desired length and size that you want your bread to be, let me bring this up a little bit. I'm going to come and I'm just going to fold it. Okay, we're going to keep doing this. Folding. You see that? Just keep folding gently. Okay. And I do have my oven preheating on 400. Okay, so you want to keep folding. Keep folding. If it's too sticky, just add a little bit of flour on your hand and it won't stick. Okay. And this is my bread. Okay, have it just like that. You can mess with it to make it even, you know. So once you have your bread to your desired length and thickness, I'm going to come with a pan. You can add oil or butter. You know me, I'm always adding butter. And I'm just going to coat it because when I add my bread to it, I don't want it to get stuck. Okay guys, so this is the way it would look. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the next one and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just want to show you the way it looks. Don't worry, once it gets on your pan, it's automatically going to settle. So, you know me, I want to try to make it as pretty as possible. So I'm going to come with a knife and I'm just going to put slices in it. Be gentle as much as possible because if not, you're just going to pull it completely off, okay? Okay guys, so I do have an egg white here. I'm just gonna beat it a little bit. Just like this, nothing major. Okay, and we're gonna come and we're gonna add it to the top of our Italian bread. Okay, this is what's gonna help it get crispy on the top. That's it. Now this is ready to bake. We're gonna bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. Hey guys, so it's been 25 minutes and my bread is done. Look at how beautiful this is. You see that? Ooh, can't wait to cut into it. Okay guys, so it's so soft. Look at that. Can you guys see that? Ooh, look. Ah, I want to thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, any comments you would like to leave, please leave it below. Again, I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. And like always, have a blessed day. Enjoy!